If it's bad, it's bad.
Right. No, it's
Right here at the range right now. Saw somebody shooting a couple rows down. Wanted to ask him a couple questions. Sir, what's your name?
my name is Mark.
Mark? All right, Mark, have you heard of full conceal?
No.
Have you heard of the folding Glock?
Yeah.
You've heard of the folding Glock?
I have.
Okay, I'm out here today for full conceal. I'm going to do some tests with some people at the range. Have you ever fired one?
No.
Have you ever held one?
No.
Have you ever seen one in person?
No.
All right, well, you're going to get to do it today.
All right.
All right, let's go over here and check it out real quick. So we have the M3D, which is the full-size Glock 19 customized folded down. Then we also have the M3S, which is a customized Glock 33 folded down. So basically what I'm going to do now is I'm going to give them over to you, and I'm going to show you how to manipulate them and work with them, and then I'm going to give them over to you to fire a couple shots through. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Be truthful. If it's bad, it's bad.
Right. No, it's it looks like it went right in. I mean, the magazine's not coming out once it snaps. I figured it would fall out. I thought I had to push it in, but I don't.
What do you think about the grip?
Well, it feels solid.
You want to put a couple rounds through it?
Sure. No, that shoots nice.
What'd you think about the trigger?
I think the trigger was solid. It was not what I was expecting from a Glock trigger, but it was nice. It didn't have no play. Nice pressure.
And as far as when you fired it, the grip, because it does cut half the pistol grip off. What did you think about that?
It didn't bother my shooting at all. I still had something to grab with my my pinky, but it didn't mess with my aim.
Awesome. Now we're going to go ahead and do the M3D, or a modified Glock 19 9mm. All right, give me your honest input on that, sir.
It's the same. It's solid. No issues. It feels great. Trigger pressure is perfect. It's awesome. My name is Mark. I think these guns are they're a solid gun. I had no issues with the smaller grip. The trigger seems solid. It shot like a charm.